video demonstrates the event log function. The following explains how to export and delete event logs and interpret error codes using event log texts. Open the event log menu for the respective device. The event list is imported from the device. To update the event list, press the Refresh Event Log button. This list shows the individual error codes that have occurred on the device. It also lists additional data, the time of the first occurrence, the time of the last occurrence, and the frequency. The DDC/event active column indicates whether the error code is active 1 or inactive 0 in this situation. For a better interpretation of the error event, error log text files can be imported using the Import Error Log Texts button. These XEMD files are available from ME Mobile Electronic. The event log can be exported and saved locally on the computer using the Export Event Log File button. To delete the event log, you must first enter the customer-specific access code in the device. Then press the Clear Event Log button and confirm with Yes. If the error list is now updated using the Refresh Event Log button, only the active event codes will be displayed, if available.